Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein. This is Vehicle Virgins, and today we got a really special guest on the channel. Hey, what are you doing in the McLaren over there? Well, hello, Ketchup. Hello, Ketchup. Say hi to the fans. Say hi to the subscribers. Hello, hello. Come on, come on. Come here. Hello. This is my incredible dog, Ketchup. For those of you who are new to the channel, I got some story time for you. What are you're making pig noises right now. All right, so as Ketchup is living it up in the front yard, I've got a couple things to talk about. One, where did Ketchup go? All of you guys are asking, where is Ketchup? And honestly, it is the saddest story. So a year ago, I got this incredible dog, absolute love of my life. Look at her over here, just, what are you doing? There's so many smells, there's so many different exciting things. So why hasn't she been in the videos? Well, it turns out I'm partially allergic to dogs, but French bulldogs, I am 10 times more allergic than any other dog on the planet. Of course, I did no research beforehand, and every single time I play with her, I break out in insane hives, like rashes all over my body. But how can anyone say no to this cute face? Look at that. So the solution was I could not get rid of this dog. It would be way too crushing. My mom has been taking care of her for the last while, and she's visiting for a little bit, so it's so nice to have her back. The second thing you guys keep asking, and yes, I read all of your comments, I promise, is can we have a house update? I was hesitant to do this, and I'll tell you why. Obviously, I want to keep you guys up to date on the progress of the house. The issue is, there hasn't been much progress. As you guys know, when I moved in, the driveway was unbearable, so of course I got a new driveway down there, a new driveway up here, repainted tons of the house, got new garage doors, got all new flooring, did a bunch of landscaping, replaced the carpets, repainted stuff, replaced all of the HVAC units, the water heater, everything. It's insane how fast stuff adds up. Literally, only that stuff alone was about $100,000. The reality of the situation is I'm not made of money, and while I wanted to deck this house out to be the coolest thing ever, as we looked closer and closer, the amount of money that it would actually cost to build a 6,500 square foot house the way I wanted, I just can't afford it. The other thing I'm slowly learning is 7 acres and 6,500 square feet is cool, but literally it's only me who lives here. So it kind of gets lonely sometimes. Obviously I have friends over, well, literally every single day, and it's always trash. So thanks so much to my cleaning lady for saving my absolute life. Celia, you're the greatest, but that's why I haven't done anything on the house. And the biggest reason is I'm pretty positive in the next year or two, in fact, every single one of Goldman Sachs financial advisors is preparing for a recession, and building a huge multi-million-dollar house in the middle of a recession doesn't sound like the best idea. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This morning, went for a little drive. Instead of drinking coffee, I usually honestly just go blast out into the canyons, wakes me up, met this guy that I've met before in Monaco called Coda, professional scooter rider, and he had something really cool that we're gonna film with tomorrow. So, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button for catch-up. Seriously, likes on the videos help with YouTube's algorithms a lot. It gets more views, which means more content, more catch-up, more everything goodness. So hit that like button. Well, aren't you just the cutest thing in the world? Guys, imagine being allergic to a face that looks so freaking cute. All right, the question for today is, I was supposed to film a video on the turbo upgraded Supra, but unfortunately it isn't done yet. I really miss that car. I'm sorry guys, it's out of my control why it's not done. But we are headed over to Gentani to meet up with DDE. The question is, do I take the 600 LT or do I take the Ferrari? I think I'm gonna take the Ferrari. But before I head out, let's get these girls washed. All right, the Rari is all cleaned and ready to go. There's only one thing left. I need the radar. Gotta take my radar out of the McLaren and put it in the Ferrari. I actually can't believe the phrase that just came out of my mouth. Thank you guys so much. Like, I'm putting my radar in my Ferrari. All right, we are headed to Gentani now to meet up with Dave and Damon, do a little Ferrari photo shoot, and then, a bunch of cool stuff goes on in Gentani, so we'll see what happens. Trying this out on my new GoPro Hero 8. Haven't really used the camera yet, so hopefully you enjoy the quality. Now, as we're heading off, go ahead. One thing I don't like about this car is for some reason when it starts up, it always starts up into automatic mode, which I guess all supercars do. I wish there was a way to customizably program what mode the car started up in. This, at least, unlike the Lamborghini, I can fire it up in race mode. The Huracan, you had to switch through all of the different modes. But real quick, before I exit, I wanna know from you guys, how many videos a week do you wanna see? when do you want me to post them, day-wise, and at what time? So the top comments in the comment section below, I'm gonna take them into serious consideration. Do you want 3 high-quality videos a week? Do you want 5 not quite as good quality videos a week? Or do you wanna see my life every single day, 7 videos a week, no matter what, even if there's not something crazy exciting happening that day? Then I wanna know which days and what time of day. Time zone's important that you guys are online. All right, comment below. Let's head out. This display on the Ferrari on the left is pretty cool, guys. Right now it says warm up, so don't push the engine, and then it says go when she's ready to go. Driving with the top up because it's absolutely freezing right now, but the good news is in the Aperto, we've got that rear window open that makes all of the best sounds in the world. All right, I said screw it to the weather. I'm blasting the heat right now. It's a Speciale Aperto. You gotta drop the top. And bumper to bumper traffic, that's all we get. All right, honestly guys, there's not too many cars that sound better than this. All right, Gentani, we're coming. Alright guys, we just rolled up at Gentani. We got a sick Aventador back there. And then Damon's found his way into the the driver's seat of the Speciale. I'm trying to come along. Hell.
Get run over?
I don't want to get run over. What do you think, dude? We're like full Rari gang now.
Stupid. It's so nice.
It is.
And you know what? As much as I like red Ferraris, I really like yellow ones too.
I always say all the time, like, every Ferrari is red. So if you just choose any other color but red, like, it's unique. Literally.
That's very
just
true.
pick any color of the rainbow and you got a rare Ferrari.
Damn, this thing is so nice.
What do you think of this badge here?
Well, first of all, that badge sucks.
It does. This is the nerdiest badge. This limited edition one's cool. Yeah. I wish it said 1 of 499, but
you know it's cool. Technically, my car back in 2012, the F12 engine, it won like engine of the year too for about 4 liters.
It's because it's freaking sick. All right, so what are you doing today at Gentani?
More
flames?
Get rid of the burble tune.
Oh, you have the burble tune on the F12?
No, it's like
it's like an explosion
I
tune?
have so much like burbles. It's like I'm pretty sure I could take the burbles and hand it off to like 10 BMWs. And
you can hand a couple off to here.
I don't want any burbles.
Okay, fair
I'm
enough.
old.
So how does your F12 currently sound?
So it's currently like this.
And that's not good?
And then hold on, there's a slight pause. Bang!
I like the last bang. What if it just did 1 bang?
It's obnoxious. I'm an asshole, but like this is on another level.
I gotta hear this. All right, go to his channel to check it out.
Look who's back in the vlog.
I know, where you been, dude?
I went back to Canada for a few days. Probation.
Dude,
why?
Global warming, his igloo is melting.
It melted.
Dude,
I'm the dogs now.
Congrats on this.
It's insane.
It's
absolutely insane.
So you've driven it?
Yeah, it's nuts.
Wild?
It sounds
Like
amazing.
scary? Can you handle it? Too nice?
No,
Or?
I just left it in 6th gear the whole time. I just rode the clutch out.
Okay.
And it's dual clutch, which is impossible.
Look at the plate on this rolls. Honestly, guys, I have always wanted a Wraith. Would you ever get one?
Yeah. When we borrowed Nick's from CarPage.
Yeah, I borrowed his too.
Amazing guy, sweetest guy ever. Big shout out to him because he's got your car now.
What do you mean, yeah? Oh, yeah. I met him the other day. Well, not met him. We know each other, but at Sunset GT with the scoop on it.
He lent me his, and Dave and I were driving it. Well, remember, we came and saw you when we had
We did. We did the S-Class. Was it my S-Class versus the Wraith head-to-head drag race?
That was good.
That was a good video.
That was a good video. I was in it.
Right outside.
Yeah, of course. Exactly, dude.
And Kylie Jenner passed us in the white G-Wagon when we were doing it.
She did. That was hype. What do you guys think? Wraith as a daily? Could be pretty hype. The ultimate flex right here. You got a Rolls Royce, but do you have the illuminated flying Spirit of Ecstasy? All right, Dave, the McLaren or the Squadra? Taking out your 1 of 50 BS favorite quote. Actually?
It's like so wrong, you know what I mean?
It is.
It's like getting slapped around. This thing is really cool. It's like a cup of tea.
Yeah.
It's calm. But the Squadra is just more intense.
See, that's why when you get the LT versions of these, then you get both.
Oh, shit.
All right, yeah, well, good luck backing out onto a street with a million things of traffic. See you there. Not even remotely sketchy. There we go. You're going the wrong way, though. He doesn't know where to go.
You're in traffic. Wrong way.
All right, guys, it's time to grab some food. So me and Damon are gonna hop in the Speciale. Dave's got, well, the first time he's ever been in a car faster than mine, so congratulations, the tuned McLaren 12C. All right, we're in the Aperta with DDE.
What up? What the frick? Oh, we got upshift and downshift chirping.
Yeah, what was that? That was sick. All right, so dude, your F12 or your stock Huracan?
Oh, the F12.
All right, yeah, that's what I would have thought. All right, F12 or supercharged version of the Huracan?
Probably the Huracan at that point.
Yeah. Have you announced any, like, your plans for what you're doing with it, or you're keeping it a secret?
With
it's
the
just
F12?
gonna be wild. Yeah.
No, I mean, so we're doing the normal stuff, like the YouTuber stuff.
Yeah.
Straight pipe.
Wheels, lower, suspension, exhaust.
Wheels, lower, suspension, exhaust. The big plan is to ultimately, and I haven't said really anything about this, so your audience will know. I got twin turbo it out the hood like Ken Block's unicorn.
You're gonna do what?
Yeah, I'm gonna have twin turbo it, top mounted, cut holes in the hood, so they're sticking out like Ken Block's unicorn. And you know that the pipes in front of the turbos that's the exhaust.
Yeah.
That's why the flames shoot out the hood.
So flames in front of your face.
In front of your face, out of the hood. That's the ultimate goal. But that'll be like the final version, because I want to drive it and enjoy it on the street for about a year.
Okay.
And talk to shops to find out who can do it properly. Because to do that, you're likely gonna have to like cage the whole thing, and
it would be ridiculous.
So it's safe.
I've never seen a twin turbo F12.
Someone said they did it, but you never saw it driving.
Makes sense.
And they were mounted under the car, so it had mirrors. You can Google it and find it.
Yeah. But out of the hood, dude, that's the craziest thing I've ever heard.
Yes. And then caged, and then it's gonna go full like drift car, because I want it to be a car that we can do videos with at like a higher video production, where it's like a Jim Kahana video essentially, but with a supercar.
Well,
always
I am interested in that idea.
Yeah.
So if you need a stunt dummy to, I don't know, eat some pizza in the background.
You can be my Brian.
Yeah.
Where you put Brian in the monkey suit and they put him on like the what's it called? A
Segway?
The Segway.
Yeah, where there's like shooting paintball guns or whatever.
Try to kill you with it.
I, that's all I've ever wanted, is be a monkey in a DD video. I see why you wanted to go here. Why? Because you look exactly like Dave right here.
Dave's hot.
How much you pay for that? Send it! That thing's loud. That thing is loud, dude.
Whoa.
Where the flames at? Give me some flames!
Shoot the flame!
Shoot the flame! Let me back up! F your flames!
Dave, rev it really fast!
Wow.
No, you have to rev it faster!
Faster!
Faster! Hard!
Hard and fast! Oh. I always wonder what people around us are thinking when this man's car is just shooting fire. I don't know. I think they like it. That is nuts.
Holy shit.
Oh, that is ridiculous! What the f?
Dude, that is so sick!
Holy
do it again,
crap.
do it again, one more time.
More fire!
Last one.
You know what they say, the bigger the flames, the bigger the... What? Is that how Dave picks up girls, or?
Yes.
Does it ever
Look
work?
at the size of
Has
my
it ever
flames.
worked?
No, nothing works with Dave.
Oh my God. Dude, your flames are making me a little self-conscious.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think I might have to shoot some flames.
Back in the day, you put a spark plug in your exhaust and run really rich.
Is that what you did?
No.
All right, not quite as cool of flames as Dave's car, but the fact that my car is stock and shoots flames like that, that's pretty dope. All right, check this out, guys. We got Carbontastics here with the flyest merch in the game. I can't believe this.
He's flexing hard on us.
He is flexing hard on us. Bathing Ape and Pagani did a collab, and of course,
It's on the 20.
You know
he's
who else?
freaking got one.
BMW and Puma made a collab together.
Okay. And you know what else?
Hey Parker.
Hey.
I got a gift for you from Canada.
What is it?
This is a Canadian loonie. This represents $1.
Are you saying I'm a lunatic or what?
No, that's for you. That's from our country to yours. Do you want to see it again for the camera with the light on there?
Okay. Is it fake?
That's $1. You know what?
Yeah, what? How much is that worth in US? I don't want it. I'm just kidding. No, I do. I love your friendship. Thank you.
No, but think about this. I got something for you guys. Put it
Yeah.
in his hand
Actually, a
again.
US
Okay.
dollar.
Oh, it
Think
is?
about this. What is the worst career to ever have in Canada?
A YouTuber.
No.
Oh.
A stripper. Because when someone throws ones at you, it hurts.
All right, guys, so it's about time to head out. I got a pretty crazy offer for like maybe, I don't know, an exhaust on the Speciale Aperta. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Should we put an exhaust straight pipe the Aperta? I don't know. I know you want me to.
I mean, I don't know.
I don't know. Your F12 does sound pretty damn cool.
Yeah, not bad.
It's not bad. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We leaked all of DDE's future plans, so that's going to be the title, obviously. Please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.